Ladies and gentlemen, bringing it back from 1975, it's Malibu 100. LA Sound. Brand new in the box. Check that shit out. Look at this thing. This paper's like George Washington paper. Like they wrote the Declaration of Independence on this motherfucker. Look how old this shit is. Oh, she does a whopping 160 watt plus 60 RMS at 2 ohm. She's running 2 ohm right now, stereo, with a dynamic headroom of 2 plus 2 dB. Hell yeah. Look at all these functions. Sub, stereo, mono, or full. Easy to set up. Check it out. Only need one channel for mono. I mean, this is old school, baby. Hell yeah. And you know what? It came right on. Look at that bad boy. And I done got her tuned up. Hey, it ain't O-scoping about 15, 16 watts per channel, but I'm going to tell you, it sounds gooder than a motherfucker. It really does. It sounds awesome. This is old Class AB goodness. This thing is cold as a crow combo. 86 degree. Look at that. Let's hear it. Y'all want to hear it? This is old school shit, man. And it sounds good for real. It does sound good. If they on some real efficient speakers, this thing would be jamming. Let's see. Back that up right there. We'll play the same song I always play. Just, hey, that's how you compare amps, man. Play the same shit. Oh, Malibu 100. Here, I'll put the scope on to try to show you.
DJ on the beat, so it's a bang, yeah. All these niggas acting like they with that shit, ain't stunning niggas. Young truck sitting so low, had to crouch my back, fuck around, had to sit on my pimp. Had to cry, you gon' backdoor a nigga you love for a little bit of clout, it's a shame on niggas. How you gon' sit on my car, tryna play a little pump like we ain't too dangerous? Bro got trial, he lost faith, he looked up when they changed his verdict. Robbers, goofy stains, pay me for a song, don't clear the verse. We don't go off names, I don't care who they is, we go off merch. This your first time buying that Zaza, I need 4K for the shirt. He a pussy, I know niggas in this hood, that boy a hoe. That pussy Yuki, I be fucking this main bitch and he don't know. And he got 4 back drums, every time they see me I'm on go. Trigger in my lung, I say that every time. But you better not trip or watch your step. And I'm just having fun, and I got that angel like I'm stuck. Bet your bitch wanna meet me, she see me on the TV. She in love with all these VPs. Icebox make my shit look 3D. Hell no, I ain't hear your CD. Nah, I'm right here in your city. They like, fine, better tuck your chain. Don't nobody wanna die, ain't nobody that angel like I'm stuck.
Damn, man. I turned it up a notch. I turned it up to 29. Hey, she getting 15 volts a channel, man.
DJ on the beat, so it's a bang, yeah. All these niggas acting like they with that shit, ain't stunning these niggas. Young truck sitting so low, had to crouch my back, fuck around, had to sit on my pimp. Had to cry, you gon' backdoor a nigga you love for a little bit of clout, it's a shame on niggas. How you gon' sit in my car, tryna play a little pump like we ain't too dangerous? Bro got trial, he lost faith, he looked up when they changed his verdict. Robbers, goofy stains, pay me for a song, don't clear the verse. We don't go off names, I don't care who they is, we go off merch. This your first time buying that Zaza, I need 4K for the shirt. He a pussy, I know niggas in this hood, that boy a hoe. That pussy Yuki, I be fucking this main bitch and he don't know. And he got 4 back drums, every time they see me I'm on go. Trigger in my lung, I say that every time cause he got smoke. Fuck how you feel for real? My best friend, he got killed, we was in that field for real. Blowing niggas down, boy come here, everything I say I mean it.
Man, that's pretty damn good, this old ass amp, man. I'm impressed. 91. 100 watt amp. It's doing over its power. I'm pretty damn impressed with this, man. Man, this ain't no damn powerhouse or nothing, but it sounds great. You just gotta trust me, man. This thing sounds really good. Let's find something else. It does sound good, man. It's got a nice tone to it. Got that it sounds good. That's why I like to use that song. I can tell what it sounds like. Let's find another song.
Set your system's volume control for slightly above the normal listening level.
Oh shit. It's volume 28, man. And these are sealed boxes, man. These are sealed boxes. Let me see if I can find some other song. Man, I mean, that's no crossover. I mean, that's a built-in crossover, but I don't know what it's crossed over at. But this little thing's kicking ass, man. I like it. Let's try this one. Let's see what the temps is. Little Malibu 100. Guys, you know how old this son of a bitch is. This is older than Barney Rubble and Fred Flintstone shit. Damn. I can't believe it. It's playing, man. No problem at all. Playing this bass music too.
Gang banging, chain swinging, chopper tones on 6, nigga. Pirates, whipper, Louis V slipper, drill, Saint Laurent pistol, Gucci on my pillow, nut right on her nipple. Young nigga with them M's, I get disrespectful. Treat y'all all the same, none of y'all bitch ain't special. Keep your mouth closed, little bitch, I might bless you. And your metro don't trust you, don't know shit. Yeah, bad tiger with the bag. Ain't no limit on the debit, I got paper, don't be calling me your brother, you a hater. Got them stones on my neck, nigga flooded out. Hurricane Irma on my neck,
oh,
nigga
Malibu.
Flooded out. Hurricane Harvey on my wrist.
Oh, Malibu playing, y'all, and ain't getting hot a lick.
VVS is flooded out.
And you're only talking 60 watts, man, per channel. Bumping like that, that's pretty damn good, man.
sake, but I already told you that once. That blood you saw last time wasn't fake, it's real. I do my own stunts. That gun had bullets. Destroy and constantly ridicule. You guys are pitiful. You take my words and you twist them. That's why I don't want to do interviews. I told my mom I was suicidal and she cried and screamed, what the hell has got into you? I don't know, Mom. Maybe those people who laugh, hate, spin the truth, and pray you fail. And once you do, they start kicking you. Fuck, they try to put me in a hospital bed, diagnose me and stuff me with meds. All in effort to fuck up my head. They anti-depress you until you're depressed again, and then you depend on the pills that made you independent. What a shame. I'm stuck in a cycle. I'm the hero, villain, traitor, and somebody else's idol. I make songs about my broken heart and about the Bible. If you feel depressed or want to kill yourself, I'm not liable. Let me clarify and get this straight. I make songs that no one else can make. That
Track 5, Bouncing Bass.
Trying to heat it up. It's not warm at all. I'm getting that low shit. Turn it up. Oh, Malibu, holy hell. Man, I'm telling you, these old damn amps, man, are just something else.
Never can't stop kids from using shirts to wipe their face. But the
Damn, baby. I like it. Damn. Hey now, say now, mother by my yin. Big face Buddha, get my peace from within. Send the kites to all my dirties in the pin. Let the hunter rub you up for the win, for the win. You crash out, then you better break the backboard. I got friends hoping that they make the tabloids. You know the last one figure, he was Magneto. You play God, you gon' get what you asked for. We got the same 24, what you mad for? I put a square on his back like I'm Jack Dorsey. It's high beams if I make a public appearance. Go back to hiding cause I'm not too.
Oh, Revo did this one. Hey. Let's see how hot it's got, and I'm gonna call it a night. But man, that is absolutely amazing. 98 degrees, 100. This is usually the hottest thing. A freaking 100 laying on the damn carpet, man. That carpet audio. That is unbelievable. Guys, that's unreal amp this old. came right on playing this bass music without a glitch. This is crazy, man. You guys take care. Have a good day. I'm impressed. Malibu 100 LA Sound made a good amp. That is a damn good little amp. This thing ain't got a scratch on it, guys. This is brand. It's like brand new. Made in Korea. This is made in Korea. This right here even says it's printed in Korea. Metro Sound USA says right here. Printed in Korea. I know I read it somewhere. I know it said printed in Korea. This is unreal. It weighs 6 pounds. Man, this amp is old, dude. When paper is yellow, you know it's old. Where did I read printed in Korea? Oh, right there. Printed in Korea. That's crazy, man. You guys take care. Have a good day. See you.